Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can rename a Bluetooth accessory on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Bluetooth. In here, you want to tap on the device, on the Bluetooth device that you want to rename. So tap on the information button here. Then we're going to tap on the name at the top here. And in here you can remove that and then just rename it. So my Buds Pro, for example. And then tap on the back key, and that's it. That's all you have to do to rename it. Now still showing the old name. If you tap on here, I think we need to tap on the save button. So let's try it again. My Buds Pro. Okay, so tap on done. And you can see at the top here, the name changes. And that's it. So now it has renamed to my custom name. Now, why would you want to rename a Bluetooth accessory? Now, some of the Bluetooth accessory, they might give you a cryptic name. So it might, instead of giving you a proper name of what it is, sometimes it give you a special code number, like a device model number. And it sometimes can be hard to remember what it is. So that's why you might want to go in here and then rename it to something more meaningful. So that might be 5-month standard track. When you reconnecting to that device, you still remember what it is and which one to connect to. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.